Students, today we are going to discuss about the first practical in our syllabus, that is the study of nostoc. So, you know well that nostoc is one type of the alga, and alga means the autotrophic organisms. Prepare their own food material. Now, if we study basically the classification of the nostoc, means where these nostocs present in the classification of the algae, and for that purpose we have to study the classification of the algae or of the nostoc. So nostocs belonging to the kingdom, planty kingdom is there, means the plants, green plants all. Then its subkingdom is cryptogams. Cryptogams means the lower group of plants. Then its division, particular division of this algae is the cyanophyta. Its class Cyanophyceae. Its order Nostocales, and family is Nostocaceae. Genus ultimately the nostoc. Now this algae, where we found this algae in the nature. So its occurrence means the site of location. So in one sentence we can say it is a freshwater alga or freshwater algae. Now another part in its study is the vegetative structure or its structure. Which are the different type of the cells, morphological peculiarities of this nostoc. So for that purpose we will directly draw the figures. So we already told that the nostoc is found in the freshwater forms and in the form of nostoc colonies. The ball-like structures are present in the aquatic substratum, and in this ball, if we break that ball, nostoc ball, so we will find thousands of the nostoc filaments. Thousands of nostoc filaments are there in these forms. If we observe this particular structure under the microscope, so we will found such type of the nostoc filaments under the microscope. Okay. Now this nostoc is filamentous alga. Filamentous means it forms morphological or its nature is filamentous. If now such type of the nostoc filaments are found in the nostoc colony, but if we take a single nostoc filament, then the structure is like that. The nostoc cells are arranged one above the other, and in the filament one cell is somewhat larger in size, with the thick cell wall. Okay, we will give the name later on. Then this nostoc filament is, or each cell in the filament is covered by the gelatinous sheath. Now this structure is known to be the trichomes. This is the trichome of the nostoc. These are the trichomes. The trichomes arranged one above the other and form the filamentous nature or structure of the nostoc. And this one, which is the thick-walled cell in the nostoc filament, is known to be the heterocyst. What is the significance of heterocyst? As it helps in biological nitrogen fixation. You know well, friends, nitrogen is present in large quantity in the atmosphere, but the plants are unable to absorb such nitrogen, molecular nitrogen, directly from the atmosphere. So this nitrogen, molecular nitrogen, get converted into the different forms with the help of such type of the algae. And this particularly algae is the nostoc. One of the algae is nostoc, and as we mentioned in the classification, its division is Cyanophyta and class is Cyanophyceae, means blue-green algae. So all the blue-green algae are used as biofertilizers. They are used as biofertilizers. Bio means living form of fertilizers. Biological agents which are living forms directly used as a biofertilizer, so they are known as the biofertilizers. These fertilizers increase the soil fertility in the soil and add the different types of the micro and macro elements, nutrients into the soil, and thus increase the soil fertility. So the nostoc is the one of the important application of nostoc is its use as a biofertilizer. So nostoc we used as a biofertilizer. One of the important one of the important advantage of the nostoc used as a biofertilizer. So here this is the structure of nostoc filament, having the different cells arranged one above the other. So this is the filamentous nature. One of the cell is thick walled, that is the heterocyst. This heterocyst is also present. This type of the heterocyst when present in between the cells, this is known to be the intercalary heterocyst. We can write down here intercalary. And if this heterocyst is present at the tip, if we draw the figure, at the tip portion, this is the tip portion, and the trichomes or the other cells are present below one. Okay. Again the gelatinous sheath is there covering. So such position of the heterocyst is known as the terminal heterocyst. So intercalary heterocyst and terminal heterocyst. So very simple morphological, or we can say vegetative structure of the nostoc. Very simple structure. So you should take into consideration, you should concentrate upon the, first of all, the first point is nostoc is a blue-green algae, means It belongs to the class Cyanophyceae, having the pigment cyanophycin, blue-green pigment, belonging to the family Nostocaceae. Then it is a freshwater alga. Its vegetative structure is filamentous like this, and these filaments are embedded in a colony known to be the nostoc colony, or we can say nostoc balls, and each structure is like that, having the very important structure, that is the heterocyst, terminal heterocyst or intercalary heterocyst, responsible for the biological nitrogen fixation. And again, one important aspect is that in the heterocyst, the enzyme nitrogenase is present. Nitrogenase enzyme is present, and this nitrogenase enzyme formed due to the NEF genes. So these 3 to 4 aspects of nostocs that you have to keep all those in your mind. Okay, so thank you all of you.